Hey there, thanks for watching my Back to Basics review by Dawud Islam and Manoj Kumar, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this dashboard, the strategy, and any problems that I see with it. If you guys are here because you're looking for an honest and ethical way to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to see how we do it. While you're down there, please hit the like button, subscribe so you can be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Let's take a look at what Back to Basics promises us. Has internet marketing got you confused? It's time to go back to basics. They want to know if you are ready to finally get big results. It's going to be easy to follow steps to make money online. No tech skills needed, no website or list needed. Suitable for complete beginners, even if you've never done before. Here are our creators, Dawud, Manoj, and Walter Krimmers. They give us a nice lengthy letter here. But the bottom is what I'm most interested in. Back to Basics teaches you how to make money as an affiliate without needing a website, without needing an email list, and without needing to make review videos. As usual, there is no hype or sales pitch on this page or inside this product. Just a simple system explained with over-the-shoulder videos that are simple to follow and replicate. So he's basically saying that this isn't hypey or sales pitchy. Let's get inside to see if that's true. Here we are in the Back to Basics dashboard, and as soon as I came in, I noticed that it looked just like High Ticket Hotshot. I actually did a review on this earlier this month. All of the buttons are the same, it is just with a different creator. So let's talk about Manoj first. Manoj has done this main training section. They give you a 5-minute video to define affiliate marketing, and he briefly touches on niches. Next, he goes over affiliate programs, specifically speaking about two that I will talk to you about in a minute, Amazon and ClickBank. He then goes through each one of these to tell you where best to put your affiliate link. And the wrapping things up portion was really just them saying that they're trying to help you as a beginner keep your costs low, that your small commissions are going to add up as long as you are consistent over time, and that you are regularly networking and adding value with your content, which is a great message. But they don't tell you how to put any of this together. Once I got to the YouTube videos, it really looked to me like our affiliate marketing informant video optimization cheat sheet. I felt like he picked maybe 3 or 4 of these points and just made a video around it. The video itself was about 5.5 minutes. We actually did this cheat sheet for brand new newbies and beginners for video optimization on YouTube. And if you guys can see, it is 25 pages long. We give you examples. We give you default templates that you can take and use as your own. We really chocked this full of information for you and didn't charge you $10 for it or package it in a pretty dashboard. So after the second overview video, you really kind of find out that if you want to be elite, which is their final upsell, if you click into here, it's actually an upsell for his OTO number 5, which is the beta tester for the Elite Academy. He does offer you 50% off, but here's the thing. His number 1 draw is to launch a product with him. He absorbs all the costs, and then you would earn 25% of the profits. So Manoj has paid to be a member of the Elite Academy, and he has partnered with Dawud. They're launching this product together. Dawud absorbed all the costs because it's the same dashboard with just different colors. So that was really no cost to him. And then Manoj is going to earn 25% of these profits. So there is an upsell in here. He does mention it on his videos. Each one he actually does. If we look at the resources, the Brown Bear Bargains, this is really just a big place of all of his products. And guys, this is how he makes his money. He repackages these products and sells them over and over and over again to the same unsuspecting people who don't know any better yet. He does come in here and tell you that if you want to learn more about list, to grab all the ones that say list in them. that he has for you and to try and put all those together and make it work. For example, if you're interested in anything about autoresponders, email swipes, and mailers, you would want to look at Monkey Mailers. I also looked at his recommended resources, and his top recommended resource is actually one of his top marketers products, which is Kevin Fahey I Am Checklists. So it kind of made sense to me that it looked like this training was a bunch of checklists just deconstructed and made into videos, because I kind of felt like that's what they were doing. Again, the conclusion is them telling you it will take time to do this, so I am proud of them for letting us know. Nowhere did they tell us this would be 60 seconds or 3 clicks. So it was very transparent of them and very honest of them to tell us it is going to take time. However, they never put all these pieces together to help you. I do not suggest using all of these at the same time to start your affiliate marketing. As a matter of fact, Affiliate Marketing Informant highly suggests just picking one to focus on for up to 6 months to a year to get yourself started. There's also a few things they're not really clear on or don't make clear enough. For example, if you do decide to join ClickBank as an affiliate, they have a customer distribution requirement. I am not a lawyer. If you need legal advice, please seek out legal counsel. But if you read the rules and regulations in any of these programs, which I highly suggest you do anytime you join a program because they are legally binding contracts for your business. This particular one tells you there is a requirement put in place by ClickBank to deter affiliates from using their accounts for the sole purpose of fraudulently collecting rebates or discounts on their own promotion. ClickBank users must meet the CDR before payment is issued to them. To meet the CDR, users must process 5 unique sales from 2 separate payment methods. If you don't do that, they can hold up your payment indefinitely until you do receive 5 sales, and it is from 2 separate payment methods. They don't mention that in Back to Basics, and that's really important. Not to mention, Amazon has over 5 different sections on their affiliate requirements. If you guys would like to know more about the Amazon affiliate program and have access to a checklist for the requirements, please click the link to the video above where Kim covers that in detail for us. When they do talk about niches in this training, they're not very detailed about it. He actually mentions health and maybe fitness, but there are tons of niches for affiliate marketing out there. And the truth is, there's 5 evergreen niches. You can choose health, wealth, relationships, hobbies, and beliefs. And then you're going to go into that niche and narrow it down a little bit more. They don't talk about that, so it's very confusing. And while you may not need a website to get started or a list to get started, you will need both eventually in affiliate marketing. On our website, affiliatemarketinginformant.com, we do have a comprehensive affiliate marketing guide. I will put that link in the description below. We have 3 chapters that go into detail, and we also tell you how to create a free website for affiliate marketing. If you guys are interested in that or you need one, please feel free to watch the video above with links in it on how to start a free affiliate marketing website. And if you're interested in our video optimization cheat sheet, if YouTube is your preferred way to try and start this, you guys can get access to this. Down below in the description under resources, there is an STB deal link. If you click that, it will take you into a program called Simple Traffic Blueprint. You will get instructions on how to claim the SEO video optimization cheat sheet, and you will get training just like we did on how to build a YouTube channel. And if you guys want to check out some of our very first videos, that does represent the strategy that we learned in Simple Traffic Blueprint. Now, the reason I mention YouTube is if we look at the pricing and the OTOs for Back to Basics, on the front end, it is $9.95 to access this dashboard. OTO number 1 is going to be your Back to Basics Pro version. And while they told us on the sales page you wouldn't need to do review videos, their advanced basic techniques include how to make videos without putting yourself on camera. The last training I saw Dawud offer on that was training like I said I was not going to do at the beginning of this video. So there's definitely 2 different strategies to review videos. And this pro version OTO number 1 is going to run you $37. OTO number 2 is the Executive Club. You'll get notified at least a week before the launch of any of Dawud's new releases. So again, that's a way to promote him. And this is kind of how he does it sneaky. So it's not outright sales pitchy, but that's the upsells. You have to sell something. If you're interested in the Executive Club upsell number 2, that is $37 also. Next, we have the reseller rights, where you can sell it as if it were your own. That's also going to run you $37. OTO number 4 is going to be done for you weekly campaigns. They don't tell you why you would need campaigns. They don't tell you where you would put campaigns. They don't give you any information about campaigns, but it is definitely upsell number 4 for a total of $97. And last is the Become a Beta Tester for the Elite Academy. We already talked about that one. It sells for $997, but if you go through his link, you can get it half price. All total, your Back to Basics pricing is going to run you $1,214.95. Or if you go through here and get the last upsell half price, it could be as low as $714.95. So one more time back on the sales page, I feel like Back to Basics went too basic. They really never put anything together. No, you don't need a website or a list, but you're going to eventually, and they don't even tell you that. So again, you will need a website at some point. The money is always in the email list. You definitely need to know about that. They say without needing to make review videos, but upsell number 1 is how to make review videos. Guys, I hope this Back to Basics review helped you out. If you are a newbie and you do need honest, free training to learn ethical ways to make money online, feel free to go down to our instant access link in the description below, or go to the STB deal link in the description below. Either one will get you training that we ourselves have used to grow our leads and our sales. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see when our next video drops. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.